For me, communication is never one way.
Communication is when you just talk to others, when you try to express your feelings and all what you have in mind. Communicating, we need two people. Or communication means expressing each other.
It's always a two-way conversation.
When you try to know each other, let's say you have something in mind, like I wanna talk about it. Usually when you discuss something, a particular topic,
Which can be dance, drama.
like such as I am expressing me. You talk about your interest, your non-interest. Like when you express something, I will not be shy.
Expressing my feelings or expressing someone else's feelings.
It's just a fun way to get to know each other.
You need to have the other person talking to call it a communication. Otherwise, you cannot just call it a communication.